Hello.
Okay, what
in
we're
this
gonna
section,
do right
we're
now
gonna
is
fill out
creating our pages and
portfolio.
menus. Click on
So what I want you
widget,
to do is
menus,
scroll the way down, and we're gonna add this items. We're gonna make it look super cool.
click on here on create new
So
menu,
we're gonna fill this in. And
give
we're
here your
gonna
menu
fill
a
this
new name.
portfolio. And you click on your
I'm
menus.
gonna call it
And
menu,
the portfolio page.
not menu
will
1 but
be
menu.
redirected to this page.
And I'm gonna create this menu.
So I'm gonna delete the rest. What I
I'm
want you
gonna
to do is go
select
to
the
your
simple
dashboard.
navigation and I hit save.
Okay,
Okay,
let me look.
now I'm gonna create a link
I
for the
want you to
home
go to
page.
portfolio
Enter here your
items.
current domain name
And I
and
want
enter
you
here
to
the text.
refresh it,
Home.
the one you don't need.
I'm gonna call it home. And I'm gonna select the pages that I
Double
want to
click on
add to my
trash.
website. I want to add pricing tables, so I chose for the
Trash.
pricing tables. And I want to
I'm
add
gonna repeat this.
a portfolio.
Okay.
So I'm gonna choose
Nearly
for, let me think, this one, yes. Okay, and I'm gonna search for a contact form.
Remove this also.
So this is really easy to set up with this theme. I click on Contact Us Modern and I will edit
this one
to the menu.
and I'm gonna remove it.
Okay, I will rename it to
Just to go to media, add new.
portfolio. And I will rename this to contact us.
Afira, stupid Afira. Okay. I want you to locate your file folder. And I want you to drag them all over there.
I'm gonna visit my
So I'm
site.
gonna drag them all over there. So I'm gonna drag all this one.
Okay, that's amazing. We got our
Over
menus right now. Look at this. This looking beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna click on pricing tables.
So I
You got beautiful pricing tables right now.
Soon.
Okay, and here is the portfolio page. It's looking smooth too. Okay, and here is the contact us page.
This took long. I'm still with you.
The modern contact us page with a contact form. So that's all you need.
And upload it.
So if you want to add other pages to your website, you can add other pages. But if I'm gonna do this for this tutorial.
Okay, from here I skip the process in the video. So now we are done. I want you to go to portfolio items. And I want you to fill this. I want you to remove this one and set a new image. I want you to go to the media library and click on the image you need for your portfolio. I need this one and I hit update. Okay, I'm gonna add new. I'm gonna add this one. And here's someone. So I'm gonna click on update. Sorry for the background noise. Okay, I want you to rename this to whatever you want because it's your project. I'm gonna remove this one and I'm gonna set the future image. I'm gonna select this one. Want to hit the update button. Okay. This can take a while, this process. But after this, you get a beautiful portfolio and a beautiful site. Okay, I'm gonna look to this. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. This looks beautiful. This looks perfect. Okay, we have created our portfolio. And let's take a look at the page portfolio. How it looks there, right over there. Okay, that's looking amazing too. So I want you to go back. Go to portfolio items. So I skipped the process in the video because it's maybe a little bit bored. So here we are. Okay, let's take a look at our beautiful portfolio. Okay, that's looking great. That's looking awesome. Now we go to our page, the portfolio page, by clicking on your menu and clicking on portfolio. Okay, I got one thing to say, this is beautiful for your website. So this is looking amazing.